Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today I've brought the third part of Bessie the Cow. We already have the first and second parts here on the channel where we learned how to make the head and the body, and in today's video we're going to learn how to make her back leg, okay? In today's video, we're going to make the back leg as I mentioned to you. So let's get started. Well guys, I'm going to start here with the color black. And we'll begin by making a magic ring and 6 single crochets in that ring. This will be our first round, which will have 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Let's make 6 single crochets in the magic ring then. This is round number 1, and for round number 2, we're going to do 6 increases. So it's going to be 1 increase in each base stitch, and we'll have a total of 12 single crochets at the end of this round. Let's work 6 increases. After finishing round number 2, let's work rounds 3 and 4. In round number 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 18 single crochets. And in round number 4, we'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of the round, we'll have 24 single crochets in total. Remember that I always leave the pattern instructions right here at the top in this part of the video, so you can follow along and not get lost. Let's work rounds 3 and 4. I've finished round number 4. Now let's work round number 5 and round number 6. In round number 5, we'll do 3 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 30 single crochets in total. In round number 6, we'll do 4 single crochets and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 36 single crochets in total. Let's work round number 5 and round number 6. All right, guys, I've finished round number 6 here. Now, in round number 7, we're going to work single crochet over single crochet in the back loops only. So we're going to come here. See, we have the 2 loops, right? This front loop and this back loop. I'm going to pick up only the back loop and make a single crochet, and I'll do this for the entire round, picking up only the back loop so we can create a detail here on the back leg, okay? Let's work across the entire round this way, and we'll have a total of 36 single crochets. After finishing this round of stitch over stitch in the back loops only, we're going to work rounds 8 and 9. These 2 rounds will just be single crochet over single crochet, okay? Rounds 8 and 9. So in round number 7, we work stitch over stitch in the back loops only, and in rounds 8 and 9, we'll just work normal single crochet over single crochet. Each of these rounds will have a total of 36 single crochets. I'll work my rounds, and when I'm finished, I'll be back to continue with you. All right, everyone, I've finished round number 9. It's looking like this. And here, look, I didn't finish the last stitch of this round because we're going to change colors. Now we're going to use the color brown, and I'll finish with the new color so the color change looks more subtle, see? So I have the 2 loops here, and I finish with the brown color through these 2 loops. And guys, in the next round we're going to work, which is round number 10. We're going to do 1 slip stitch in each base stitch, but only in the back loops. So, I enter here into the back loop, pull up my yarn, and make the slip stitch, which is just pulling it through here, see? I go to the next back loop, pull up the yarn and pull it through, and I keep going, making 1 slip stitch in each base stitch. This is so our color change stays perfectly straight, okay guys? It's a technique we use to change colors and have it look like a straight line. It's going to look like this, see? Can you see it? It stays in a straight line like this. It looks pretty cool, right? So, let's do the whole round this way. Okay everyone, I've finished this round, which was round number 10. Now, in round number 11, we're going to work in the back loops only as well, okay? Once again, we'll pick up only the back loop and make a single crochet in each base stitch. So, let's go into just these back loops and work single crochet across this entire round. And we'll have a total of 36 single crochets. All right, guys, now let's work round 12 and round 13. In round number 12, we're going to do 4 single crochets and 1 decrease. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 30 single crochets in total. And in round number 13, we'll do 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have a total of 24 single crochets. Let's work rounds 12 and 13 then. Once round 13 is finished, let's work rounds 14 and 15. In round number 14, we'll just work single crochet over single crochet, and this round will have a total of 24 single crochets. And in round number 15, we'll do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have 18 single crochets in total. Let's work round number 14 and round number 15 then. Once round 15 is finalized, we're going to change the color now. So, I didn't finish the last stitch of round 15 with the brown color. I come in and finish the last stitch with the white color. Here at the color change, guys, you have these 2 yarn ends. I tie the 2 together and cut them, okay? And I continue with this yarn here. And just like we did with that color change back there, we're going to do it with the white color. So, in round number 16, we're going to do 1 slip stitch in each base stitch, only in the back loops. So, I enter only into the back loop here, see, and make a slip stitch. and we'll have a total of 18 stitches in this round. I'm even going to cut these here. Look, so these yarn ends don't get in my way. These are the ones from the color change. I cut them. It will look like this right here. I tuck them inside. I'm going to work this round of slip stitches in the back loops only. And guys, in the next round, we're going to do the same thing we did before. Single crochet over single crochet, only in the back loops. So here we are making slip stitches in the back loop, which is round number 16. And in round number 17, we're going to do single crochet in the back loop, okay? I'll work these 2 rounds of mine and come back for us to continue. Alright guys, I've finished round number 17 here, and it looks like this. Now, from round number 18 to round number 24, we're going to work just single crochet over single crochet. We can already start adding stuffing as well. We're only going to put stuffing in this black and brown part. Up to here, okay? In the white part, we don't add any. Only if it's to make a transition, but there's no need to put much in the white part because look, it needs to be flatter. Do you see? There's stuffing up to here. From here on, there isn't any, so it can stay in the right position here on our cow. So let's work from round number 18 to 24, just stitch over stitch. Go ahead and add stuffing now, before continuing, in the black and brown part, and all these rounds will have a total of 18 single crochets. I'll work mine. When I finish number 24, I'll be back here for us to continue. Alright everyone, I've finished round 24, added the stuffing, and it turned out like this. Now, let's do the last round to finish it up. We join these 2 parts together here, move the yarn to the back, and I enter the next stitch I would normally go into here, which is this one. And I enter the last stitch I made, which is this one right here. Now I pull up my yarn and make a single crochet. And I keep doing this until the end. Well, finished here. I'm going to cut my yarn. With a long tail for sewing, pull it through and our leg is ready. Remembering, guys, that we're going to make 2 of these, okay? So guys, that was it for today's video. In the next one, we're going to make the front legs. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. A big kiss, stay with God, and until the next video, bye-bye.